What's up, Tubes? Tim here. A little more progress on the little excavator I'm building. I had that double pump. It's throwing out way too much flow. So I went to a smaller pump I had off a Case tractor. It's 8 gallons a minute at 3,600 RPM. Boom's all done. I just built the bucket today. We got a piece of 18-inch casing we use for shoving under the ground for a boring pit. I used a piece of that. Ended up flattening this out in my log splitter. Put it on a log splitter and use the ram to push it. But here's the different valve I got now. I got the 2 joysticks. Got all my plumbing there. Got 2 extra spools here that I'm not using yet. I might figure out something with that. But coming along pretty good. I'll keep you posted when I get the linkage on the bucket. Thanks for watching. Bye.